Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove share with Skype option from file context menu. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand classes. Click and expand packaged COM. Click and expand package. Click and expand Microsoft Skype app. Click and expand class. Select first one key. Open and clear value data of DII path. Click OK and exit registry editor. Still showing share with Skype? Follow our tutorial. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey classes root. Click and expand star symbol. Click and expand shell. Delete share with Skype key. Click Yes to continue. Close and exit registry editor. Share with Skype successfully removed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.